So I'm over at the condo project. This is Unit C. I'm waiting for this one. Got all the insulation in yesterday. Guys are coming today to do all the drywall and they'll plaster it. So. So, got a lot going on here today. I'm on the third floor. These are the bedrooms. This is the master. Just finished hitting all the trim in here. So, next I gotta cut the walls in. So the trim came out pretty nice. Nice views from the master bedroom. Real nice condos here. So, to cut these walls, I just did the trim in here. It's like the second bedroom, guest bedroom. Just put a coat on all of this. So I'm still gonna caulk this baseboard. Then I'm gonna hit the walls, and then I'll do the baseboard last. That's how I do it. I like to do the baseboard at the very end. And then I'm gonna be ripping up all of this covering on the stairs and start getting this ready for. Talking about maybe putting a light stain on it and then doing 2 coats of poly, but I think just poly would be good. Floors are pretty light. But we'll see. We're gonna figure that out tonight. We're gonna take a sample and try it on a piece of the wood. And that's it. Condo project's moving right along. This place, they're closing on this one, I think next Friday. So I already sold all of them. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you.